The following message is brought to you by Tell History Jamaica, sponsored by Live Well Jamaica.
You're a ball for brother. You're a girl. Big man not cry. You're a man. You should have it all figured out. Tough it out. You're a man. Peter. You're a man. You're not so soft. Suck it up, man.
My husband don't know what name feelings. My emotions he must show me.
My son could never come to me about him have mental issues. My name so. Man feel strong and we not show emotions. Man them at time we let go them narrative, yeah. Full time we get rid of this stigma. Not be like your father. Him never know better. If you feel like you have too much going on in your head, stop. Go link a friend and all our meds. When we say meds, we mean talk it out. You can even check a therapist and sort it out. The mental health is no joke. Man, them need to stay woke. Talk to somebody, no brother, and treat your mental health better.